how a mechanical loom operates. It places one single thread at a time, methodically dragging it across the warp to build a tapestry. This is exactly how standard large language models generate text, one token at a time, strictly dependent on the token right before it. This sequential process forces modern AI infrastructure into a severe bottleneck. Because the model must wait for the current token to finish before starting the next, even the most massive GPU clusters spend a majority of their time idling during generation. The power is there, but the sequence locks it out. Speculative decoding splits generation across two models. A highly efficient draft model guesses the next several tokens in a fraction of a second. Then, a massive target model evaluates that entire block simultaneously. If wrong, it rejects the sequence and instantly calculates the correct path. The mathematics are well documented. But building a functional speculative decoding pipeline has been incredibly difficult due to a highly fragmented engineering landscape. Getting a tiny draft model to perfectly mimic the complex logic of a massive target model requires precise behavioral alignment. Until now, configuring that alignment meant stitching together undocumented scripts and custom wrappers for every new model release. Reaching the maximum theoretical speed of speculative decoding requires solving a massive, unstandardized infrastructure problem. DeepSeek recently released a codebase called DeepSpec. It operates as a full-stack repository designed to centralize and standardize the entire infrastructure required for speculative decoding. DeepSpec consolidates 3 efficient draft algorithms: DSpark, DFlash, and Eagle-3. The repository is optimized to support major open-weight architectures, specifically providing out-of-the-box support for the Qwen 3 and Gemma model families. By stripping away disparate custom scripts, DeepSpec enforces a strict sequential workflow that engineers can reliably map to enterprise production environments. This workflow is divided into 3 distinct macro stages: data preparation, training, and evaluation. The system demands strict adherence to this order. The output generated by data preparation serves as the absolute prerequisite input for the training phase, and so on. By forcing speculative decoding into a rigid 3-step pipeline, DeepSpec takes a chaotic research methodology and turns it into a highly deployable engineering standard. The first phase, data preparation, exists for one specific reason: forcing the draft model into strict behavioral mimicry of the target model. The process begins by downloading massive arrays of training prompts and feeding them directly into an inference engine hosting the large target model. The pipeline forces the target model to regenerate answers to every prompt. This captures the model's exact token preferences and unique output distribution across a wide variety of topics. These generative states are then routed into what the codebase calls the target cache, a dedicated database where the specific outputs are stored for the upcoming training phase. But there is a hidden cost to this process, and the repository includes an explicit warning for developers regarding the required cache size. Preparing the cached outputs for the default Qwen 3 4B model setup requires approximately 38 terabytes of local storage space. This data footprint reaches such scale because the system records the comprehensive probability distribution for every single token the target model evaluated during generation. Speculative decoding is often framed as a lightweight, inference-time shortcut for increasing response speeds. However, without this highly specific, massive reservoir of probability data, a draft model would constantly guess tokens that the target model would subsequently reject, rendering the entire speedup attempt useless. Slashing inference latency requires paying an exorbitant upfront tax in both data generation and high-density storage capacity. Once the 38 terabyte cache is built, the pipeline moves to the training phase, where that massive data volume actively molds the draft model's neural network. Engineers initiate this process using a master execution script called train.sh. By default, DeepSpec optimizes this script for a single compute node equipped with an 8 GPU array. The script triggers a Python file, spawning dedicated workers across GPUs, parallelizing the heavy cache ingestion to maximize overall throughput. The core training behavior is entirely dictated by modular configuration files. By pointing the execution script to a different configuration file, an engineer can swap out the underlying algorithm, like moving to DSpark, or change the target architecture entirely without rewriting the core training logic. During this run, the draft model computes its loss against the cached probability distributions. It adjusts its weights to mathematically map to how the larger target model thinks. As the loss decreases, the script continuously writes draft model checkpoints to specific project directories for easy retrieval. The system also supports command line overrides, allowing developers to adjust target cache directories or tweak individual hyperparameters without editing the source files. DeepSpec's training architecture intentionally decouples the complex mathematics of speculative algorithms from the execution environment, establishing a highly modular factory floor for draft models. A draft model provides zero value if its fast predictions are consistently rejected by the target model. To verify the alignment, the pipeline utilizes eval.py, a dedicated script designed to test the newly generated checkpoints against simulated production workloads. The repository integrates a suite of rigorous, standardized benchmark datasets, testing logic and coding capabilities across Math500, HumaneVal, and ArenaHard v2. This chart illustrates the core metric of success, the acceptance rate. It maps exactly how often the large target model agrees with the token blocks predicted by the draft model across these different benchmarks. Running this script requires a dual input. Practitioners must point the script at the trained draft checkpoint and the exact original target model it was mapped against. The script pairs the two models, forcing the draft to guess token sequences for benchmark problems, while the target model verifies them in real time. This final audit proves whether the initial 38 terabyte data investment actually yielded a mathematically viable shortcut for high-speed inference. To demonstrate the pipeline's effectiveness, DeepSeek provides a suite of pre-trained, ready-to-deploy checkpoints hosted directly on Hugging Face. This matrix outlines the released models, cross-referencing the three supported algorithms, Eagle-3, DFlash, and DSpark, against various parameter sizes of Qwen3 and Gemma. These specific weights are the exact artifacts DeepSeek used to generate the benchmark results published in their official research paper. However, there is a critical operational constraint to utilizing these pre-packaged assets. The checkpoints were explicitly trained on data generated in a standard, non-thinking mode. If an engineer drops these draft models into a pipeline where the target model is forced into deep reasoning or thinking modes, the behavioral alignment breaks and the acceptance rate plummets. Highly specialized domain-specific tasks will cause a similar divergence, as the target model begins selecting token paths outside the draft model's training distribution. This is where the true value of the repository is realized. When pre-trained constraints are hit, engineers have the architectural blueprint necessary to spin up the pipeline and retrain custom drafts from scratch on their own hardware. DeepSpec provides the engineering framework required to make speculative decoding a reproducible standard for AI development.